Alright guys, this is Kink Bike Corp. I haven't had a video check in a while. Not a video check, a bike check. So and I've got a lot of new shit for it. So, alright, let's go. I got S&M grips, fit dirt tires. I like them a lot because half the dirt. Animal pedals, Shadow Conspiracy chain, half-link chain. Now I got the original shit. Well, I got a new bottom bracket, which you can't see it. But the one it comes with, it just sucks. But I got Mission cranks, Kink 25 tooth sprocket, Mission cassette hub, Mission stem, Mission seat, which I'm getting a fit seat tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure. I'll put a new video check on it. And then the shoes I ride with, I got Nike 6.0s. I usually ride Air Force Ones, but I don't know, they just don't go with the pedals. Yep, so there's my bike check. Kink Curve 2012. Subscribe, comment, I don't care.